Hey, good morning 3A. So today we are going to focus on our part 1 writing. This is a very quick video for you to watch first before you complete our exercise for today. So I'm assuming that most of you are still sleeping, so that's why I'm recording this so that you can watch it later and then respond it at least by 12:30 p.m. Okay, so with reply writing, you will get questions like this. So first of all, it's very important you just read the instruction first. So you and one of your friends have recently entered a space launch poster drawing competition. You received this email from one of the competition organizers, Rahul. Okay, so the email reads, "Hello, my name is Rahul from Space Ed Magazine. I'm sending you this email to tell you some good news. Your team's poster for our space launch poster drawing competition was selected to win the grand prize. Congrats. Please send us the home address of one of your team members where we can mail your prize to. Also, as the prize will include our limited edition Space Ed t-shirt, please let us know you and your teammates' preferred t-shirt sizes. Lastly, we would love to have a few words from you to be featured in next month's magazine. Just tell us why you would love to be a space astronaut someday. Just include the reason in your reply to this email. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks." So over here we get our email from Rahul. So basically the context here is that you and one of your friends have recently entered a space launch poster drawing competition. Maksudnya awak dan kawan awak telah menyertai satu pertandingan melukis poster. Okay, tapi Rahul ni is one of the organizer, penganjur competition tu. So kat sini kalau siapa yang baca tadi tu, let's say if you have problem understanding the email, you don't have to look through it, the entire thing. The first thing that you have to do is actually just identify the reply points. So kalau ingat lagi dalam kelas, I use the word RP. RP is reply point. For each of these reply writing essay, there is usually 3 reply point that you have to find. Biasanya ada 3 point kat mana yang awak boleh reply. Tak semestinya kalau awak tak jumpa 3 reply point, kalau awak jumpa 2 saja, maksudnya 2 ni perlu dihuraikan seolah-olah it's 3 points. Okay, so let's just look through the article very slowly. First of all, Rahul is just saying congratulations to you. Dia tak ada minta apa-apa lagi pun. Usually reply point ni adalah tempat di mana yang dia minta awak reply with a certain or a particular information. So kat sini I've already highlighted all the reply points for you. So first reply point, RP1, says please send us the home address of one of your team members where we can mail your prize to. So kat sini dia minta awak untuk hantar kepada dia alamat rumah salah seorang daripada team members. Team members ni can be you or your friend, where we kat sini mungkin pihak penganjur tu can mail your prize to. So dia minta alamat rumah. So maksud dia in your reply letter there must be an address. It can be your address or it can be your friend's address. Tu benda pertama yang kena ada. Perkara yang kedua, reply point 2, please let us know you and your teammates preferred t-shirt sizes. So if you read the email before, it says that one of the prizes is a t-shirt. Adalah salah satu tu daripada hadiah tu adalah t-shirt. So this Rahul wants to know what is you and your teammates preferred t-shirt size. T-shirt size berapa sebab dia nak hantar kan. And then lastly is RP number 3. Sekarang RP 2. RP number 3 is just tell us why you would love to be a space astronaut someday. So beritahu kami kenapa awak nak jadi angkasawan satu hari nanti. So this is something that he wants so that he can put it in the next month's magazine. Dia nak something berawak supaya boleh masuk dalam majalah bulan depan. Okay, so this is how you going to do it first. So what I told you before, if you're not confident with your writing, what you can do is whenever you realize that that is a reply point, try to write your reply in Bahasa Melayu first. Because when you're writing in Bahasa Melayu, it's easier for you to see whether your sentence is actually correct or wrong. Okay, and of course, if you want to construct a sentence, you should think about the connector, subject, verb, point, and elaboration. Subject is very easy because you can actually read the question and then see where is the subject. So for number 1, please send us the home address of one of your team members where we can mail your prize to. So subject dia kat sini is actually, it could be one of your team members lah. So kat sini boleh jadi I, ataupun you can say my team member. Member kat sini bukan maksud dia kawan, member kat sini maksud dia ahli kumpulan. So if you once you identify this, it goes down to your subject and you say, let's say I'm just going to use I. Okay, then your point is what the person wants and that is your answer. So kat sini dia minta awak home address, so of course your home address is the point lah. So contohnya kalau kat sini saya letak my point is my address, which is Batu 16 Sungai Tiram. So the rest of the sentence becomes very easy. Kalau let's say I ni, okay, I'm sorry, I get ahead of myself. Let's say this is saya. So awak punya verb, now you have subject ialah saya, point ialah Batu 16 Sungai Tiram. Verb it becomes very easy. So it will be something like saya tinggal di Batu 16 Sungai Tiram. Of course this point, ayat ni dah lengkap dah, tapi still tak ada elaboration lah. So awak boleh letak saya tinggal di Batu 16 Sungai Tiram. Maybe you can add the question where specifically, Sungai Tiram tu kat mana. So you can say in Johor, Malaysia. So kat sini ayat awak at least panjang sedikit daripada the original one lah. Okay, sorry, to be I pula. Okay, then awak punya connector ialah penanda wacana ataupun penghubung ayat. So you can say mengenai alamat rumah saya, comma. Kalau kita kata pasal penanda wacana can be something as simple as firstly, secondly, thirdly. However, when we talk about sentence connector, penghubung ayat, that one you can write actually even more. So kat sini saya letak mengenai alamat rumah saya tinggal di Batu 16 Sungai Tiram di Johor, Malaysia. If let's say awak satu reply point tu minimum you have to write at least one sentence, sekurang-kurangnya satu ayat. Tapi let's say kalau awak dah dapat markah banyak sikit, awak boleh tambah lagi ayat barulah. So let's say kalau saya nak tambah lagi, mungkin saya nak tambah extra ayat, kata awak boleh hantar hadiah itu ke alamat ini. So over here, this becomes very easy for you to actually translate. Okay, so I know some of you might be thinking, okay, now that I am writing and I am writing in front of my computer, I can use Google Translate. Boleh guna Google Translate lah macam tu. For me, I don't really recommend you using Google Translate. However, walau bagaimanapun, I know some of you will. So if you want to use Google Translate, you can, no problem. But make sure when you are writing your sentence and then you see the English sentence yang keluar tu, make sure awak nampak apa yang salah. So belajar daripada Google Translate tu. Jangan bagi Google Translate tu ajar awak. Because most of the time bila awak punya bahasa Melayu tu pun hantar pun structure pun salah, dia punya English tu pun akan salah. So bila awak masukkan dalam Google Translate, at least cuba baca balik ayat tu, tengok betul tak apa perkataan digunakan. So you are smarter than Google Translate. Google Translate is just a computer. So if you want to use it, make sure you're wise enough to use it. Okay, so over here is very simple. If you want to write the sentence, mengenai alamat rumah saya is actually very simple. You can just say about my home address. And then lepas tu, saya tinggal di Batu 16 Sungai Tiram di Johor, Malaysia. That is super easy to translate. So saya is I, tinggal di, live at, Batu 16 is kata nama khas, so you cannot translate that, you cannot change it to River Tiram or whatever. In Johor, Malaysia. So kalau saya sebagai pemeriksa, saya tengok ada ayat ni, saya akan letak tick, maksudnya reply point 1 dah settle. However, kalau nak dapat markah bahasa banyak sikit, then you have to add more lah. So what about our second sentence? Awak boleh hantar hadiah itu ke alamat ini. So awak, you can just say you. Boleh is can, hantar is send. Hadiah itu, so don't be confused with the word itu. I always say itu One is that, maksud dia kat sana. Satu lagi, it can also be the. So you can send the price, hadiah tersebut sebenarnya, ke alamat ini. So this one you have to be a bit smarter lah. It's not to this, to address this. So to this address. So remember, for your reply writing, we are not asking you to write very complicated sentence. That is for a second part of the essay later. But for this part, it's just enough for you to write on, use simple sentences as long as you're replying what they want. Okay, very quick look through. We just look at RP2. Please let us know you and your teammates preferred t-shirt sizes. So kat sini, awak terus boleh kenal pasti your subject is you and your teammates. So that is your subject. So that should be the first thing in your sentence. Benda yang point dia nak ialah preferred t-shirt size. This is the point. Apa isi yang dia, kenapa dia hantar soalan ni kat awak. So t-shirt S tu kat sini lah. So mungkin kat sini, saya dan kawan saya, and let's see t-shirt size, awak letak M size. So kat sini awak dah boleh teka dah verb dia apa. Saya dan kawan saya tempat kosong t-shirt M size. So terus tenggakkan lah, and then you just write down it in English kat bawah tu. The last reply point 3, oh okay, forgot to say, reply point 2, of course, if you can, try to put more than one sentence. Jangan satu ayat, satu respon je. Sebab kita takut markah bahasa nanti kita kurang. For reply point 3, just tell us why you would love to be a space astronaut someday. So this is a bit trickier. So of course, subject is you. Nak jadi space astronaut someday tu is basically your whole verb and point. So boleh bawa. And because this question comes with the word why, so maksud dia respon dia akan ada kerana. So your sentence should be somewhere down the line, saya teringin untuk menjadi ahli angkasawan satu hari nanti kerana. Then you write down your sentence. So basically this is a bit kebat because you have to write your own sentence. Kena reka ayat sendiri. Okay, so I've also included here a simple template where you can try and follow. But for 3A, I don't expect you to need this lah. Saya rasa awak boleh buat ayat sendiri, tak ada masalah. So just try to complete that essay. Okay, so that is all for our writing test. This is a very quick tutorial of what you're supposed to do. If let's say you are not watching this video at 8 AM, no problem. You can watch it later at any time. However, your work must be submitted by 12:30. By 12:30 PM today, make sure you complete your work and you hand it through the Google form. Okay, so that is all from me today. Thank you.